Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to create a MQTT device and to use it. So before going to it, make sure that you have ThingsUp account and make sure you have enough credits in the building section. If you don't have enough credits, go ahead and buy them. Now let's get started. For that, click on add device. Now you need to specify the device key. The device key is the username which will be used in order to connect to the MQTT device. So I am just giving it as test. In the password section, you need to specify any password. Make sure that it is very secure. In the device name and the device category, you can specify anything for your reference. Now in the client ID, if you specify star, that means you can able to connect multiple client ID using this username and password. If you specify any other client ID other than star, for example 1 or 2 or some words, at this time only that client ID can able to connect using that username and password. So I am giving star here. Now in the access control, you need to specify the topic under which your data is going to get published or subscribed. So I am just specifying the topic as test, and you need to specify it as published and subscribed and click save. So once it is done, you can check your added device in view devices. As you can see here, your device is shown here. So this is the username. The username will be like this, that is your account ID colon your device key, and you must make sure that your device is enabled in order to use it. Okay, now let's see how to test it. Okay, now open this command section. In the command section, in the MQTT client section, you need to do the following things. In the username, you need to copy this and paste it here. In the password, you need to specify the password which you have mentioned while creating, and the client ID. Since we have given star for this MQTT client, you can have any client ID here. Now click clear section and give connect. As you can see, the device is connected. Now you need to specify to the topic that we have created. The topic that we have created is test. So for that, you need to specify like this. Copy this account ID slash your account ID slash the topic name test, and you need to subscribe to it. So this test topic is subscribed now. Now let's publish in this topic. So just copy this topic again and paste it here. In the payload section, you can specify any, that is any data. I'm just giving hi there, and I'm giving send. As you can see, the payload, the hi there is sent in this topic, and since we have already subscribed to it, the message is also received here. So we have successfully created an MQTT device, and we have sent a data to a topic called test, and also successfully received the topic since we have subscribed to it.